Stop it!
You're gonna get a toothache.
I don't care. Right now.
This is Sweet Cakes Bakery. I'm Megan.
And I'm Cassie.
Enjoy! Welcome to our Easter edition. Today we are making Easter Bunny race cars.
What you will need is icing for the glue, 4 M&Ms, 1 mini pretzel, 1 Twinkie, 1 Bunny Peep, and 2 marshmallows.
Let's get started.
First, you will need to hollow out a seat in the Twinkie for the bunny to sit in.
Then you're going to be placing your bunny towards the back part of it, and then putting the pretzel in for the steering wheel.
Then you will need to cut the marshmallows in half for the wheels.
You're going to be placing a little bit of the icing on the inside part of the marshmallow. Then placing your wheel right on the side of the Twinkie.
Then you will put just a little bit of icing on the M&Ms and place them on the wheels. It looks like a Christmas tree.
You look like a Christmas tree when you wear green.
What? At least my bunny has arms.
You want to suck it.
I don't need arms.
How are you going to drive in the dark?
Well, I'm a driving bunny.
All cars
so
have lights.
I'm driving bunny, so night vision.
Bunnies don't have night vision?
Bunnies don't drive cars.
That is not an E.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
That's an E.
Oh.
It's not a 3. My car is way cooler than that one. I have actual flames that don't look like a Christmas tree. I have racing stripes.
It looks like an equal sign.
You know what?
And I added I added cool flames to mine. Even though she thinks it looks like a Christmas tree. And it was supposed to have a 3 on the side. But
it was an E.
But I made an E on this side, so I just turned it into an 8 because I'm awesome like that.
And my bunny has arms because you need arms to drive, obviously. Okay, so we put these in the fridge for about an hour to cool and harden so nothing would melt or fall off.
Tune in next week with Sweet Cakes Bakery for Andy's Mint Cupcakes.
Please like and subscribe.
Like us on Facebook. This chick right.
What she said.
What she said.